Welcome to our step-by-step guide on changing your Roblox username for free in 2025. Let's get started. First, let's understand the username change policy. Roblox allows you to change your username once every 30 days. Now, navigate to your account settings. Click on the gear icon in the upper right corner to access your settings. Here, you can check if your desired username is available. Type it in and look for the green check mark. Once you find an available username, go ahead and enter it in the designated field. Don't forget to confirm your change by clicking the Save or Confirm button. You may need to wait a moment while Roblox processes your new username. If you encounter any errors, check your internet connection or try again later. Here are some tips for choosing a great username. Make it unique, easy to remember, and something that represents you. To recap, we introduced the steps to change your Roblox username, understood policies, and navigated the settings. You're all set.